Hey yo, what's going on guys? It's Alex with Finite to Freedom. Welcome back on our second video about technical analysis and the charts. So in this video we will break down the Google, Meta and BBAI technical analysis. And if you haven't seen the previous one, which was about Nvidia, AMD and Apple, you can go here in the end of the video, click it and it will take you to our previous video, and it's always going to be the same. Our videos in the end are going to give you the opportunity and the option to click it and see our previous video. And over here you will see the playlist where you can go and watch any kind of video that you guys want. Now over here it will pop up with the logo, and you can basically drag your mouse over there and it will have a little bit of some sentences that are put out there. What is our channel doing and what is it about? And you can actually subscribe. Now there is another opportunity. There is another option. So let me bring you to our main screen where you can see our technical analysis. Now that's the animation that I've created since the first video, that we can discuss about the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you can actually receive all our notifications about when we're going live, when we start actually going live, and all our videos that they are going to be uploaded when they are uploaded. So if you hit the like button, I'll appreciate it. If we do reach to 100 likes per video, this video is making it through YouTube, and it can actually let me rephrase. Hold on a minute. So when we hit 100 likes, then YouTube is suggesting this specific video out there to a much wider audience, and more people can actually start joining us and welcome them to our journey, which is really exciting. So in this video, I said we're going to discuss about some charts, and it's Google. So now you can see similar pattern, a little bit similar, right? We went down yesterday and the day before, so we were close to actually go and retest the $196.68. Now if we do that, it can mean two possible case scenarios. Again, if we do retest it today, Thursday, we can bounce back up and head towards the resistance, where we can see on Friday last week we were close to test the resistance, and we said that if we do break above it, we're going into an all-time high. If we don't, then we can go back down and go for a retest at 196.68. You can see that the possible case scenarios are always guiding us with a bigger percentage than going out there and say, oh, I'm investing in this, right? It's not all about that though. News coming aboard that affect the market, your strategy, your plan, everything plays a big role out there. It's a big journey. So with patience, I get it, guys. I was like that. I wanted to get money fast, but I realized that, you know what, I'm putting a lot of stress, a lot of risk onto my investments, and I don't need it. So I'm really patient person right now. I've learned my lesson, so I'm not planning to lose money. I am down, yes, absolutely, I am down. I haven't lost the money though, because I haven't sold it, right? So even that right now I can show you that yes, I am down. Overall, I am down $230. I don't really mind, because look, I kept my positions for BBAI, which are the low positions, are the lowest. Even the was it 490 something? I can't remember. 480, 479. There you go. 479. That was the lowest, right? So I kept it, and now I withdrew my money. the higher positions, and now I've got $755.10. And when BBAI, for example, goes to even $4, really example, like a really bad example, because we don't really know if it goes to $4, but we're going to bring the chart and we can see actually what is happening. But what I'm saying is, even if it goes low, I reduce my risk by taking most of my shares out. So I kept the lowest positions, which were now my average cost, which is basically a signal where I can start losing money. So if it goes further down from $5.56, then I can start losing money overall. Now we are above it, so I'm $1.91. But what I did is, today that I withdrew the 135 shares, I did it because overall I was $40 up, and I was fine by it. I'm not expecting $4,000 in just a day because I've got really small capital, but that's fine. Slowly, we're building it. And that's what it matters. If anyone guys think that we can actually make so easily money because we invested, it's not working like that, right? With big capital, yes, you can easily make money and you can easily lose money. So it depends, right? Everything depends on something. So if you've got a really big capital and you go to speculative investments, you are making your risk higher and you are about to lose money. But if you have a big capital again and you invest into like something that is safe, something that it has potential, something that you know the fundamentals of the company, then you are not really bothered if you are $1,000 down or $10,000 down, as long as this is no speculation and it goes back up, right? But it's no financial advice. I'm just saying what I'm seeing, what I have understood through my my experience with investing, and what I'm trying now to build is, you know what? Even if I'm $100 down, I want to think the same mentality. I want to have it when I'm down $1,000 or $10,000 or $100,000, right? So imagine how much money Warren Buffett has seen in his life, for example, right? Who has really big capital. He has seen his account millions of dollars down, and he wasn't even selling. He wasn't even stressing because he knew where he invested. That's the power of knowing, having knowledge, information, and not speculate, right? And that's why I said, be mindful where you invest, guys. Don't just listen to people where they give you what you want to listen. Hell yeah, I wanted BBAI to reach $100. Yeah, I want it. Is it actually though true that is gonna happen because someone else is saying it? Not really, because we can't time the market. We would be out there making videos about the weather if we actually knew and predict the market, right? That's what I'm saying. So I'm all right with it. I was in total in profit. I took most of my shares, took my profit. I'm okay with it. And now, even if I go to lower with BBAI, for example, if BBAI goes lower, then I have the power to buy back. But I'm not gonna go all in, right? Just a percentage of buying, because if it goes further down, I want to buy again. So, having said that, what I can see, if Google this week goes below this support level, 196.68, then I'm anticipating to trade around here in this space. So could we have a retest at 187.24? Could be. That's a possible case scenario. But then can we bounce back up? Yes, it can happen. But if we do break below, then we should anticipate the next support level, and that's how the market goes. Because if it does, for example, if we do retest it this week, it can bounce back up. But if we break below it, it can go further down below. That's all I can say, guys. And this is about Google. Having said that, just short version of it, if we do retest the support level, we can bounce back up. If we don't and we break below, then I'm anticipating to go further below, further down and towards the next support level, which is 187.24, right? But if we do retest it and bounce back up, then I'm anticipating to test the $208.74, and if we do break above it, then we are making a new all-time high. So that was about Google, and now Meta. That's a really strong signal there. That's neutral actually, right? But it kind of fills in the gap here, right? So what I want to say about it, right? So there you go. Let's bring the numbers. So Meta broke below two support levels and was heading towards the third support level at $724.42, but it didn't stay there. It bounced back up, right? So we broke the support level at $746.84, and then we broke below the support level at $736.38. Now, could we break again today, Thursday, below the $746.84? If we do, then I'm anticipating the next support level, which is $736.38, and then we can bounce back up. If we don't and break again, same situation like yesterday, Wednesday. If we do break both of them and go further down, then I'm anticipating the $724.42 and then head back up. If we do though, don't close up below the $746.84 support level, we could bounce back up and form in a V shape towards the resistance, which is $784.20. Every day is giving us a signal, right? And I apologize about the 2 days that I haven't reported anything due to the technical issues, but we are back here and hopefully we are good. Now, BBAI managed to retest almost the $5.23, which was the support level, but then it bounced back up and closed at $5.61. Could we go further up? We could, but again, in case we do retest again the $5.23 and we break below it, then I'm anticipating the $4.81, and I'll be ready to buy possibly 25% of my buying power. But if we do though go further up during the Thursday and Friday, and we manage to break above the resistance level, then I'm anticipating the $6.28. Although another possible case scenario, it could be a retest at $5.87 and bounce back down, and then we will see what is going to happen. I hope that explains everything, guys. I'm trying to do the technical analysis as easy as possible as it can be. I'm not going through lines and everything like that. When we start doing lives and everything, I'm going to have live trades with my money and actually show you what I'm doing on 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and so and so and so. But this, I'm doing it daily. I haven't even started doing it for a weekly, right? For what every week shows us. I haven't even started doing that, right? There's a lot to cover and I need to make it simple as possible. So this is it, guys. I'm stuck a little bit there. Oh God. Our next video is coming with Palantir, quantum computing, and D-Wave. So stay tuned, guys. It's going to be uploaded really soon. And if you have missed Nvidia, AMD, Apple, and a little bit the news that I provided about what Donald Trump posted, you will see it over here, and then our playlist over there. If you guys want to help us to grow as a channel, please do subscribe, and let's start growing. And when we do have the live calls and the live shows, you can engage easily with us. So that's it, guys. I will see you soon, hopefully, on our next video. And until then, have a good night, take care of yourselves, and bye bye.